Hi Viet, this is Foy. Here is our RB20. So engine looks standard. There's not much like off-market modifications to it. The engine room is very clean. There we go. It's really nice shape, like for the 1989. So you don't have to worry about technical condition. We're gonna get it really nice. It's got a crossbar. I'm not sure what's the maker though. The radiator is standard, so not modified. Okay, it's got a ceramic turbo. It's a single turbo twin cam engine. It's pretty cool. Very fast car. You can drive it regular way, like in a non-sporty way, or you can basically push it hard on the acceleration and you have a great sport car. Okay, so this is how the engine room looks like.